The planning feature within Compass allows you to create, import, view and modify routes while integrating other key information sources and vessel-specific data. It has also been designed to streamline the process of crafting a passage plan using the Compass Passage Plan template. Planning can be accessed directly from the planning tile on the dashboard, or at any time via the planning icon located within the side navigation bar. This area offers a number of map layers to choose from, including a simple standard grey map layer and satellite layer, through to our nautical chart layer and Navtor ENC Online layer, both of which offer detailed chart information. Our satellite layer includes a 3D terrain view. By zooming into a specific area and holding down the right mouse button, you can adjust the tilt angle of the compass view and navigate around objects with ease. Previously created routes can be found and loaded from the Route Manager layer. Click the Route Manager button to view, import and export routes. To start a new route, click on the Draw a Route icon on the left side of the map window. Use left-click to place each waypoint. To finish a route, simply click on the final waypoint to complete it and exit Draw mode. You can edit the route using the Edit button on the map window. Once in edit mode, you can select and move existing waypoints and add intermediate waypoints to a leg. To exit route edit mode, click on the map. Extending a route can be done by selecting the Route Draw icon after a route has already been finished. Waypoint and leg information can be amended individually in the table below the map or by selecting the waypoint on the map. The information stored here is applied to your route and, where necessary, included within the final passage plan document. Waypoints can be deleted individually from within the route table by clicking on the cross icon or by selecting the waypoint on the map. Or the entire route can be deleted via the delete icon on the map itself. The overall waypoint settings can be amended by clicking the button at the bottom left of the table. Here you will be able to make amendments to a range of information, such as speed, turn radius, and cross-track distances. Once you are happy with your route, the departure date and time can be amended to align with your planned departure time, in turn updating your arrival time. Additionally, you can amend the fuel settings to determine an estimated fuel consumption for your route. Click the Save Route button and name your route to add it to the Route Manager directory. Alternatively, routes can be imported from your ECDIS or other electronic charting systems in order to take advantage of the extended route planning functionality within Compass. There is a selection of information layers that can be overlaid onto the map. Nav area warnings can be toggled on by Coordinator Area to display the latest in-force warnings within a specific area. These warnings can be interrogated on the map and printed as required. MARPOL provides you with a visual reference for PSSA, special areas, and emission control areas, as well as more detailed information for coastal areas and the annexes enforced within. Click anywhere within these areas to open the information modal. To view the annex information, click on View Additional MARPOL Information. Explore with IMRE includes geographically tagged information taken from their well-known library of cruising guides. The information within each of these points can be viewed by clicking on the blue markers and printed if necessary. Territorial waters can be overlaid to show a 12 nautical mile perimeter around the coast. Clicking within these boundaries will show you which waters these belong to. The ports layer shows all available ports on the map to deliver tidal information for the selected port locations. The second tab in the passage planning table overlays the weather information that is forecasted based on your departure date and time. You can switch the weather overlay between the available variables using the modal on the right side. Adjust the vessel's position along the route using the slider. In doing so, the map will update the weather based on the vessel's location and time. To the left of the graph, a short AI-generated weather synopsis will have been created showing the route weather data. click Create Route Weather Report for a customizable PDF of the forecasted weather that can be printed. By selecting the route warning icon on the right-hand side of the map, route warnings can be toggled on. Using the sliders, crew can adjust and save the desired weather warning parameters. With route warnings toggled on, markers will highlight points along your route where weather parameters are reached or exceeded. These warnings will react to your departure time, planned passage, and the latest weather forecast. If you make any changes to the departure time or route within the planning section, the route weather warnings, weather graph, and synopsis will update automatically to reflect the change. For individual point weather forecasts, please see the weather video. The Tides tab within Planning will automatically update once a route has been created. The nearest tidal station to your first and last waypoint will be identified and a tide table and graph displayed for each. You can switch between departure and arrival tidal information using the drop-down selector. The Products tab allows you to search for products that relate to your loaded route. Click Select Products to Search in the table to bring up the search parameters. Select the search corridor and the product types you are looking for, and click Search. The products that fall within your search corridor will appear on the map and in the table below, using the traffic light system to depict the holding status. If you require any of the products for your passage, click on the item and click to add to your Compass basket. The full basket of items can be found at the top of Compass. Here you can request these items for your DSNM Yacht Manager to arrange supply. Once all is in place, the Create Passage Plan option allows you to compile all the information into a passage plan template. You will be given the choice of which sections to include before generating the final passage plan PDF document. Once the PDF passage plan has been generated, you will be able to add further information into the available fields before downloading, emailing, or printing the passage plan. Passage plans can be saved within Compass and can be later recalled and edited from the Route Manager menu. For more information, contact your yacht manager.